Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily change date and time in Windows 11. So let's start. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy tutorial, so if this video will be helpful, what you can do is write down below in comments that it helped you, so when other people come here, they will know that it's worth it. Now, go on the bottom, and you're gonna have like start here. Right click on it, and under Task Manager is Settings. Then you're gonna see under Accounts is Time and Language, and then you're gonna have the date and time here. Click on it, and then you're gonna have a time zone here and current date and time. So you can simply choose and set time automatically. You can turn it off, and then you're gonna have the set the date and time manually, and you click change, and you would change it so to whatever time you want. Like right now for me it's good, but this is how you can actually do it. Thank you very much guys for watching. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching, and write down below in the comments if this video was helpful. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.